Not marble, not the gilded monuments.
Not marble, nor the gilded monuments is a sonnet written by William Shakespeare, who is widely considered as the greatest writer in the English language. This sonnet is one of the most famous among the 154 sonnets written by Shakespeare and is a poem about time and immortalization.
Not marble, not the gilded monuments of princes shall outlive this powerful rhyme.
In these lines, Shakespeare speaks about a friend whose memory he wants to preserve through this sonnet. Here, the word gilded means gold-plated. In these lines he states that neither buildings of stone nor the gold-plated monuments erected by the princes shall survive and live longer than this powerful poem written in praise of his friend. The word outlive means to live for a longer time. He thereby emphasizes that poetry is in itself a monument. Here, the phrase "this powerful rhyme" refers to this great poem.
But you shall shine more bright in these contents than unswept stone, besmeared with sluttish time.
Here, Shakespeare explains that the memory of his friend will shine more brightly in the lines or words of this poem than all such memorials and monuments. In these lines, you refers to the poet's friend or the patron. This poem will not be altered by any evil practices of the coming times, unlike the stone monuments, which could be altered or ignored by the humans. The phrase unswept stone refers to a monument of stone left uncared for. The word besmeared means tarnished or made dirty, and sluttish means evil or immortal.
When wasteful war shall statues overturn, and broils root out the work of masonry.
Now the poet tries to bring about the devastating image of war in the reader's mind. He says that the wars and conflicts would blow apart all the stonework, and the monuments and statues would be toppled to the ground, making them useless. Here, the word statues means the statues erected in the memory of the kings and princes. The word overturn means to throw away or uproot. Broils means a violent and noisy commotion. The meaning of the word root out is to destroy completely. The phrase works of masonry refers to the work of architecture and art.
No Mars his sword, no war's quick fire shall burn the living record of your memory. Gains death and all oblivious enmity.
In these lines, Shakespeare says that neither Mars, the god of war, who can be devastating with his powerful sword, nor the moving fire of wars, which can burn down anything, would be able to diminish or destroy the immortality of his friend's memory in this poem. Here, the word Mars refers to the god of war. This memory would not be destroyed even by enemies or death. The phrase living record refers to the written memory of one's life that continues after death. In these lines, the word gainst means against, and oblivious means forgetful. Here, the word enmity means unfriendliness.
Shall you pace forth, your praise shall still find room, even in the eyes of all posterity that wear this world out to the ending doom.
Now, Shakespeare explains that this poem will even stand the test of time. The memory of his friend will remain alive and travel through time in the lines of this poem. The phrase pace forth means outlive. The word posterity means future generations. Hence, it will always be glorified in the hearts of men till the doomsday or the day on which the last judgment will occur. The word doom refers to the doomsday, the day on which last judgment will occur.
So, till the judgment that you yourself arise, you live in this, and dwell in lovers' eyes.
In these final lines, the poet makes the reader realize that even now the poet's beloved is alive through this poem. Through these words, his beloved finds a permanent place in the eyes of lovers. This poem will keep the memory alive till the day of the last judgment, when the poet's friend will rise again from the grave. Here, the word dwells means lives, and the word judgment refers to the last day of judgment.
Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.